sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna do a short ass live cop for you guys for Supreme Week 13. Low key, there was a lot going on this morning. I was literally at work trying to film this live cop for you guys. If you do end up enjoying this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. With all that being said, man, let's go ahead and see what happened this morning. Let me know what you guys cooked up as well. Did you even go for this week? I feel like this was a little bit on the sleeper side, but I am hearing that next week we're gonna get a box logo. I will talk about that in a video coming up soon. But with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. As you can see right here, I'm basically refreshing the website and hoping that the shit drops. I was taking my time with it because I knew that this could either go really left or really right, and I'm just hoping for the best, to be honest. And now it turned 11 and I'm still refreshing, and honestly it didn't even load right away, so I'm still going. I'm hoping that the shit drops. Keep refreshing a couple more times and I believe it loads right here. I go to the sleeping mat, I'm like, what the fuck, hold up. Go to the actual knife, add it to cart, hit the checkout button, and I start filling in my information, put the CVV in and all that. It starts asking me captchas and shit. I put all the information in, and then it asks me another one, so I fuck around and put that one in as well, and I get card decline, which is kind of weird. But I did go back to the checkout and I got it back into my cart. Go ahead, hit the checkout button, put my information in once again. This time I go ahead, I put all my information in, and now it's processing. After a little bit, you can see that I literally hit on it. As y'all saw right there, we did manage to get the knife in the black colorway. I was debating on not even going for anything this week, but last minute I did decide to just go for it, honestly, because I do own most of the knives from the samurai knife in 2017 till this point. I feel like I missed maybe one knife, and it was the Victorian. I don't know, I feel like I might have even gotten that shit. I know that there was one that was like $80 and I was like, hell nah. But low-key, I did end up paying like $80 for this knife. The only reason I decided to do it is because it has pliers, wire cutters, I think a screwdriver. I don't even know what it has on it, but I know that it's not just a little blade. It does have a nail filer, a bunch of shit on it that is kind of useful, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up. Let me know what you guys went for this week. I also did like that tee with the girl and the Supreme locket chain. That one was pretty fire, but I totally forgot about that this morning. But let me know what y'all went for. Honestly, I feel like this is a sleeper week, but next week is probably gonna be hard, so make sure you save your money because we are gonna be getting a pretty good collab. From what I'm hearing, obviously it's a grain of salt, take it with a grain of salt. I am gonna be covering that really soon for you guys, so make sure you go ahead and stay tuned. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and do not forget to go ahead and look at the sub count, man. Subscribe to the channel. I don't even know where we're at right now, but just go ahead and add yourself. Subscribe to the channel. It definitely means the world when y'all come back and show some love. Let me know what video you would like me to make coming soon, and I will go ahead and get that done for you guys. I do have a couple different videos that I am going to try to upload this weekend or around this weekend, so make sure you click those post notifications. That way you're notified whenever I do decide to drop these vids. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.